We'll start with the long view here. And the underside, hopefully my light comes on. This will hopefully show the rack and pinion, or the rack anyway. I used helical rack. The cross bracing is made of get it in focus. Banding strap, the kind that you find bundled around lifts of plywood and whatnot. A buddy of mine with a machine shop bent it in his brake. Really high tensile steel, very thin, really hard to weld. This is almost done, not quite. Haven't got my spoil board in yet. If I need to lift, at this point here I can unbolt it and lift this up as high as I need to if I were to put a rotary axis on the table, or if I had something too tall to fit. The bearings go to this side. Everything references from this side. The plate is a 1/4 inch by 3 inch. It's got V-groove bearings on it, top and bottom. All of them are adjustable. And that outer 1/4 by 3 has been shimmed, so it's just about perfect. Tubing, you can see the rack underneath it, and I'll go under here for the pinion gears. This side simply has idlers on it, so the outside plate isn't necessarily accurate, but it is accurate as far as height and straightness goes. All 8 of my bearings are adjustable. My motor mount is on a pivot. Oh, that was my stick welding with a wet stick. And inside, if I can get the camera to look at it, oh, don't get motion sick. Has got a spring-loaded lever on it, so that the pinion is always kept tight within the rack. The Z-axis came pre-assembled from China. Well, this little guy here is 3D printed because I ordered the wrong size. And there's my wire trolley. Couldn't figure out how else to do it that it would travel as far as I needed it to. And my axis control board. The computer's a dedicated Ubuntu. Maybe this one's Debian. And I'm running Linux CNC as my controller. None of the designing gets done out here. I don't know that the table is rigid enough to mill metal. I'm going to find out. Okay, so let's see if we can start this up.